Got it?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
All right, so one of the things we talked about, or I talked about with a lot of y'all, was lag putting, and that we have some troubles with distance control. And I think that's a big deal because when we're hitting greens, especially on firm new greens like we have over here on the South Course, we're not always hitting the ball to 10 feet, 12 feet for birdie. You know, we're having a lot of 30, 40, 50 footers for birdie, or for pars. We won't talk about those, but it does happen. And that's where a lot of our 3-putts come into tact, mainly because of the first putt. Sometimes we'll hit it to 3 feet and we'll miss that short one. But more often than not, on the long putts, when we have the 40-footer for birdie, what's left is a 10-footer for par or a 20-footer for par, you know. So what I want to do is kind of a drill here to work on lag putting. So if I'm putting to this last flag here, number, I think that says 1 or 7, if I'm just trying to judge it based on feel and seeing it, hit that about 10 feet short. So what I like to do is take a long putt that I might have in a round on the practice green and try to roll the ball close. When you watch that you do this, you can actually get pretty good at it. You're probably more likely to do it. So if I try to roll one up there, yay! Oh, almost made it. I'll roll another one. A little short, but get the point. A little bit better. Now think about this. With my right hand, when I roll a putt, my body's facing forward with my right hand. Now just turn to the side, playing a sideline game, and it's the same concept, now with the putter in my hand. So what we're going to do is do a few drills where we're going to throw to the far points of the green and just see, kind of get a feel for the long putts, and then we'll try to hit a few and see if we can translate it over.
Matches up in terms of length of swing.
Correct, and the feel of the putt. Yeah.